What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday, April the 23rd. We are out here in Atlanta, College Park area, close to the airport. So anyway, this is a new client, Miss Patel. She found me online. Just really loved my online presence. When she booked her consultation, I did come out here about 2 weeks ago and did a consultation, and the day that she booked for it actually rained, so we postponed. Plus it was a Sunday and I was just really trying to fit her in because I was so booked out. So anyway, we rescheduled for today, guys. This is a small project. It's a screen recoat with the color correction. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. And then after this, we have two consultations, one also in Atlanta, and then one of my repeat clients just bought a home and he wants his floors done in Swanee. And then we're going to be off for the rest of the week. I'm going to take a little vacate, go down to one of my favorite places, PCB, Panama City Beach. Spring break here are over. So I'm going to go there tomorrow through Monday, be back at it Tuesday. Already got a full schedule next week. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we are in College Park, very close to the airport. And these are the floors that we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be doing this area right here, very small job, all through here. Now, Miss Patel did not move her sofa, so we're just going to go around. I did tell her if she ever move it, she'll probably notice the outline, but she said, Courtney, it's probably never going to be moved. So anyway, guys, all through here, this is the main reason right here. See that, see that, see this, that's just some, it's actually tapped into the stain is missing, so we're gonna do some color correction. And it's not a lot, just right here, I think she had some bar stools sitting. So all through here, around this island, beautiful kitchen, and then we're gonna do that strip, but we're gonna stop there in the dining room, so we're gonna tape it off. And we're gonna go with a semi-gloss, because her floors have a high sheen on it, so we're gonna do semi-gloss. So the difference is not, no, we're not doing it there. So what we're gonna do, let me show you, yep, I'm gonna tape it off this board right here. Yep, right there, yep. And then also gonna tape off this board right there, light board. So tape off this one, tape off that one, and then we're gonna tape off that right there, that entryway. All right, and then let's pull the vacuum this way. All right, guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. We got a great screen on this floor. Now we're cleaning. Then we're gonna do our color correction up in this area right here, as you see. Add some color back to those areas. And then we're gonna top coat it. All right, guys. All right, guys. Got the coating going down. Look at that amazing color correction. Wow. Wow. All right, I'm gonna get this to Tavares and let him finish this set. I'm gonna watch me roll. All right. And look at the color correction. Look at that.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, okay.
Like, you know, you have it.
Yeah.
How do you find it?
Are you free? Do you want to start with it? Maybe I go with
Okay. Actually, okay.
yeah.
Okay. Well, you call?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I can use for like you are.
Oh,
Better
glad that review is
yeah.
awesome. All right, guys, let's go take a look. Woo.
It's still sticky a little bit.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. Look at that color correction, guys. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. High five, Miss Patel. Bam. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is a semi-gloss finish. So it's not too, it's the highest sheen I go. So when you pull this tape up, it's not too bad. Now I will say too, the finish that she had on here was an oil base. This is a water base, but it's really not
It
that.
doesn't look
Yeah.
that much different.
No, that not much different. So we did good with that.
Yeah, here is some spots. Remember I
Yeah,
told
You can't see them anymore.
you? Yeah.
Another high five.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, good. Good.
Miss Patel she's been good to work with. I tell you guys, I work for really good clients, man. My clients, they let me do my thing. They don't harass me. They don't bother me because again, like Miss Patel said, she saw my reviews and then of course they watch. Did you watch any of my videos, Miss Patel?
Yeah, last time I watched.
Yeah. So she watched the videos. Yeah. So that just gives people trust, man. They know who they're dealing with. They know what to expect. And these are the results, man. So floor came out good. Tavares, high five. Yeah. All right, guys. That's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. Now, we're about to go do 2 consultations. One is in Atlanta. She's about 35 minutes from here. Susan, I just called her. And then we have another one in Swanee. I'll be off for the rest of the week. We'll be back at it Tuesday. I already got a full schedule next week after Monday. We just need a break, guys. All right, guys. Oh, man, look at that color correction. That looks amazing. All right, now time for the treat. Miss Patel.
This is for the
It's still dry, yeah, still wet, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Okay.
Time to give me the treat, Miss Patel.
You can count it.
All right, thank you so much. All right, guys, I tell you, I rarely get cash. Very rare. Maybe once every 2 or 3 months. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.